Namaste, and a very warm welcome to all my enthusiastic Java developers. I am your teacher, and today, we are diving into a truly exciting topic, MongoDB with Spring Data. This combination is incredibly powerful for building modern, scalable applications. In this advanced tutorial, we will explore how Spring Data simplifies interactions with MongoDB, a popular NoSQL document database. You will learn how to set up your project, define your data models, perform common database operations, and even tackle some advanced features. Get ready to unlock the full potential of NoSQL databases in your Spring Boot applications. Let us begin this wonderful learning journey together. Alright, let us start by setting up our Spring Boot project to work with MongoDB. First, you need to add the Spring Boot Starter Data MongoDB dependency to your project's pom.xml if you are using Maven, or build.gradle if you are using Gradle. This starter brings in all the necessary libraries. Next, we configure our MongoDB connection details. This is typically done in the application.properties or application.yml file. Here, we specify the MongoDB host, port, and the database name we wish to connect to. Spring Boot will automatically pick these properties up and configure the connection for us. It is truly that straightforward to get started. Now that our setup is complete, let us understand how we represent our data. In MongoDB, data is stored in documents, which are similar to JSON objects. In Spring Data MongoDB, we map these documents to plain old Java objects, or POJOs, using the @document annotation. You can specify the collection name using collection is equal to your collection name. The @ID annotation marks a field as the document's unique identifier. After defining our document, we create a repository interface by extending MongoRepository. This powerful interface provides a rich set of methods for common create, read, update, and delete, or CRUD, operations right out of the box, saving us a lot of boilerplate code. We just need to define the type of our document and the type of its identifier. Excellent! With our document and repository in place, let us see how to perform actual database operations. We can inject our user repository into any Spring component, for example, a service class. To create or update a document, we simply call the save method. To find a document by its identifier, we use findBy, which returns an optional to handle cases where the document might not exist. We can also define custom query methods directly in our repository interface, like findByName, and Spring Data will automatically implement them for us based on the method name. Deleting a document is as simple as calling deleteBy. Spring Data MongoDB truly makes interacting with your NoSQL database feel as natural as working with regular Java objects. As you become more comfortable, you might encounter some common challenges. Forgetting the @document annotation or not handling optional results from findBy are frequent mistakes. Also, for complex queries or data transformations, consider using the aggregation framework. Spring Data MongoDB allows you to define custom queries using the @query annotation, where you write MongoDB query syntax directly. This gives you fine-grained control. For advanced scenarios, especially when dealing with multiple operations that need to succeed or fail together. Remember that MongoDB 4.0 and later versions support multi-document transactions. Always think about data consistency and error handling, especially in distributed systems. These practices will make your applications robust and performant. And there you have it, my friends. In this tutorial, we embarked on a journey to master MongoDB with Spring Data. We started by understanding the core concepts and setting up our project. Then, we learned how to define our data models using @document and create powerful repositories with Mongo Repository. We saw how effortlessly we can perform create, read, update, and delete operations, and finally, we touched upon advanced queries and common best practices. Remember, practice is key. Try implementing a simple application using these concepts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting Java tutorials. Keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.